Hey everybody, it's Daniel Murphy down here in beautiful sunny Myrtle Beach, South Carolina with Innovate Real Estate. Hope everybody is having a fantastic start to the coming fall, September here. So I thought it was a good time when we look at these numbers. If you're not receiving the actual newsletter, reach out to us, let us know, we'll get you on that email list. It does have a little bit more information than just the videos that you're seeing. But what we're looking at, I always break down numbers to try and figure out not necessarily where the market is today, but where we're headed in the future. That does help me advise my clients better. It also helps you guys that are looking to purchase and or sell to make some more informed decisions. And if you have been following the newsletters that I've been sending out or the really the last 3 years of the videos, you're going to notice that what I've been telling you is that from May of 2022, what we've seen is a flat line across the board, both on condos and residential here at the beach. We've not seen much movement at all. We've seen this on the graph from month to month, but really that median line straight across has not changed much. But if you also have been following this, you know that I'm predicting that unless we saw some significant increase in the amount of buyer activity at the beach, inventory was going to continue to climb and we may see a decline in actual prices. So let's see where we are. So what we did is we took the 3-year median numbers for your median sale price, days on market, and then the monthly supply. And then we compared that to the first 8 months or year to date here in 2025. So if we're looking on the residential side, the median sale price from 2022 to 2024 was $355,000. When we look at the first 8 months of this year, we're at $260,000. So only a $5,000 increase from that 3-year period to where we are today. The nice thing to see is days on market has actually decreased. We were at 120 days on market for those 3 years, and now we're at 103. Conversely, though, the monthly supply has gone up from those 3 years at 3.1 up to 4.3. And that number's a bit more troubling to me because it tells us how much inventory is sitting on the market with the current buyer population that we have. How long would it take to just sell that inventory if nothing changed in our market? The condo side is a lot different. Not necessarily in the median sale price. So for those 3 years that we're looking at, the median sale price for condos along the beach was $240,000. We are now at $239,000. So really nothing has changed in the last 3.5 years. From 2022 all the way to now, that is a baseline that is really, really flat. But where it starts to get a bit more concerning is the days on market and definitely monthly supply. So days on market from 2022 to 2024 was 64 days. We are now up to 103. And more importantly, the monthly supply increased from 3.7 months all the way up to 7.8. So that number right there gives me a little bit of concern. I'm still optimistic that we won't see like big drops in prices. I think we're just going to maintain for a while. Hopefully the feds will reduce rates and we'll see an uptick in the amount of buyers that we have in the market. However, remember, this is when we're looking at the market at large. If you have a specific property that you're interested in selling and or buying, if it's in a specific neighborhood, specific area of the beach, these are all a look at the market all over the Grand Strand, where certain markets outperform others. Certain markets, or some of our micro markets, will underperform or outperform the averages. So give us a call, let us know, email, text, any way you feel comfortable engaging in conversation. We'd love to talk. Again, my name is Daniel Murphy. I'm with Innovate Real Estate down here in Myrtle Beach. Thanks so much.